how are you all? Welcome to Coding Sahai. I am Reshma R. So in the previous video we discussed the string slicing. Another important topic of strings are string functions that we are going to discuss in this video. Python has a rich set of library which contains lot of built-in functions. It reduces the complexity of the program. So let's begin. So before we start, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and share the videos. So let's begin. String function. See, here we have a lower function. Lower function, it is used to convert uppercase letters to lowercase. Okay, so wherever you have uppercase letters should be converted to lower. See, here I am giving an example. str1 is equal to hello world, and in this one hello is in small letter and world is in capital letter. Then we are writing str1 dot lower. So that means hello world dot lower. So in this case, first hello is already in small letter, so it is no need to convert. Capital world is converted to small letter. So this is our lower function. Then we have its opposite, upper. That is, if you have small letters, then it should be converted to uppercase. So here the example, str1 is equal to hello world, the same one, and str1 dot upper. That means here these small letters are converted to its capital letters. Okay. So our next function is len, is to return the length of a string. That means how many characters are there in a string. So for example, here I have given str1 is equal to hello world. So the number of characters in hello world will be returned when you are executing this statement len of str1. Okay, or you can write len of hello world directly. Only thing, you have to give hello world in quotes. Here len is counting all the letters including space. Okay, so here in this case, hello, it is taking 5 letters, world also have 5 letters, then we have an exclamation mark. So 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. Then in between hello and world there is a space, so 11 plus 1, 12. So that is the length of this string. So when you are writing length function and the upper and lower function, it is in different way. In lower and upper case, we are calling the function using an object like str1 dot lower. Here also str1 dot upper. But in this case, actually we are passing a parameter inside this function, that is len of str1. So which string's length you want to find out, that string we are passing inside the function len. Then we have another function, that is title. It returns the string with first letter of every word in the string uppercase and the rest in lowercase. Okay, we can see the example. str1 is equal to, I am using the same example, hello world. So here you can see h is in small letter and w is in capital letter. So when you are executing str1 dot title, then it gives hello world. Every word's first letter is converting to capital letter. So that is our title. Then capitalize. It is returns a copy of the string with its first character capitalized. That is, you have a string and its first character will be capitalized. It is not title. Title, every word's first letter is converting to capital letter. Here it is, if you are giving str1 Python, then this P, first letter P is converted to capital P. So if you are entering a sentence also, the first letter of that sentence will be converted to capital letter. So we have more functions. So before that, let's see how all these functions are working. We can do programs in idle. So here I am accepting a string. Okay, let's try different options. So str1 equal to input, enter the string. Then first we studied lower, right? So we can convert it. So I am writing here str2 equal to str1 dot lower. Then I am printing str2. str2 has converted string. So let's save it and run it. Okay, it's asking end of the string, so I'm giving welcome to the world of Python programmers. Okay, so let's see the output. See here, it is converted to small letters. So let's continue with the program. See, in str2 we have that small letters, so that we can convert to capital letters. So let's directly print it here. Print str2 dot upper. So let's save it and run it. The same input I'm giving here. Then press enter. See, first it is printing all the letters in small letter. Now it is converted to capital letter. See, in the same program, I'm going to make the changes for the other function. So let me comment these values. Then next function we studied len function. So we are inputting a string and we want to find out what is the length of the string. So we can give here print len of str1. So let's see it. Okay, enter the string. So I'm giving coding Sahai. Okay, so there are 13 characters. Let's see it. See, in coding we have 6 characters and in Sahai we have 6 characters and in between there is a space. So 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13. So the next one we studied title. I'm commenting this one also. So here also we are accepting a string. So let's see how it is working. Print str1 dot title. Okay, let's save it and run it again. Okay, the same thing. Welcome to the world of Python programmers. I'm going to give in small letters. Okay, so all the letters are in small letters. So let's see it. See, you can see the difference here. Welcome. In that W is capital, 2. T is capital, the T is capital. All the first letters of each words are capitalized here. Okay, so that is our title function. Now let's see the capitalized function. So here I am writing print str1 dot capitalize. So let's see the output and we can see the difference between title and capitalize. Okay, the same thing I'm giving in small letter. Welcome to the world of. Okay, let's press enter. Here when we enter title, welcome to the world of Python programmers, each word's first character is capitalized. But in this case, capitalized we use, only the first character is capitalized. So that is title and capitalize. So let's see the remaining functions. So our next function is count. Okay, so count function, it returns the number of times the substring occurs in a string. Okay, so in this case we are giving the string start and end. So let's see the example. String str1 is equal to hello world exclamation mark hello hello, like that I am giving a sentence here. So here I am giving str1 dot count, then here hello. That means here actually it is checking how many times this hello is present in this sentence. Okay, I have given a start and end position, that is 12 and 25 I have given here. That means in this range, that is in this index position, how many times this hello is there. So here 12th position means you have to count from here like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then space 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So from this space till 25. 25 may or may not be in our string, but still it gives the output. Okay, that means here hello hello 2 times it is there, so this 2. Okay, if you are not giving the start and end and if you are simply giving str1 dot count of hello, so it prints how many times that word is there in that particular string. So str1 dot count of hello means it is giving 3 because we have 3 times this hello in our sentence. Okay, so that is our count function. Same way we have another function find. So in find also we have the string start end. So that means it returns the first occurrence of index of substring str occurring in the given string. So let's see the example. See here str1, the same example I am giving, hello world hello hello. Then str1 dot find hello. So this hello is in which position? Okay, it is finding it and it is returning in which position we have hello there. Okay, so here I mentioned the start and end position also. That means from 10 to 20 in between whether we have hello. If it is there, it's first occurrence where you are finding first that hello, that will be returned here. So here 10 to 20 in the sense 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, from this D to 20, that is another 10 letters in between whether we have hello. If you have hello, it's first occurrence. What is the first occurrence? This is our first occurrence, and its position, it will be returned. Its position in the sense the first letter's index position will be returned. So here it is 10, then 11, 12, 13. So this X position, it will be returned. So that is our output here. So find, it returns an integer value. It is not string. Count also, it is returning integer values. Okay, that is find. See another example, str1 dot find hello 15, 25. That means from 15th position. This is our 13. So here 13, 14, 15. So from there it starts the search. So here you are getting that value hello, and it is returning the position. So this is actually 19. So this H is in 19th position. So that 19 is returning here. Then the next example, I am giving str1 dot find hello. That means in this sentence where you are finding the first time that hello, its index position, it should be returned. So here hello, it is in the 0th position, right? That 0 is returning here. Then I have given another one, str1 dot find he, H-E-E. Here that H-E present in this sentence? No, there is no H-E here. So it is returning -1. That means the particular string which we are searching is not present in this sentence. Okay, when you are executing find function and if the particular string is not present in the sentence, then it returns -1. So let's see the working of count and find function. So in the same program I am making the changes. So our first function, it is count. So here I am giving a string like this, Python program, Python is easy, Python. Okay, so here first function count. So we can write print str1 dot count of Python. So here I am not giving the range now. See, we can print the string also here. So str1, after that we can print the count. So here run Python program. So Python is easy, Python. So here 3 times that Python is printing here. Now let's give the index positions from 10 to 30 I am giving. So 10 is this G, 30 is this one A. So in between G and A, how many times this Python is there? Okay, so let's say it. Okay, Python program. So here we have 1 because from this G to this A, we have only 1 Python. So that's why it is printing 1. So now let's see the find function. So here I am giving print str1 dot find of. Okay, let's give Python itself. Now I am not giving the index positions, I am just giving Python. So let's see. Okay, Python program, it returns 0 because it is in 0th position. Here I am making a change. Hi, let's run it again. See, now it is showing in 4th position. That is, this is 0, 1, 2, then there is a space 3, then 4th position. Python's first letter is there. So that 4 is returning here. Now let's give the index position. So our same index position we can give like 10 and 30. So in between 10 and 30 where this Python occurs. See, it is in 23rd position. We have to count from here. See, this P is in 23rd location. So it is returning that value. Now I am giving coding. Okay, let's see what is the result here. See, I am giving coding here. I am removing this 10 and 30 also. So I need to check in the whole string. See, it is returning -1 because coding is not present in this string. So that is our find function. So next function, it is index. So index is also same as our find function, but if the substring is not present in the given string, then it gives an error. str1 is equal to, I am giving an example like hello world, hello hello, then str1 dot index of hello. This is also returning the index position of that particular string. So here I am searching hello in the string, it is in the 0th position. Then str1 dot index of he is not in the string, so it returns an error, substring not found, value error it is returning. Okay, so let's see the working of these functions. So in the same example, I am giving print str1 dot index of Python. See, in high Python program, Python is easy Python. Here Python is in 4th position. So now we have ends with and the start with. So ends with means returns true if the given string ends with the supplied substring. So for example, here str1 is equal to hello world, and here I am giving str1 dot ends with world exclamation mark. So here world exclamation mark, that is the last value of this str1. So it is checking whether the string ends with this world exclamation mark. Yes, it is satisfying. That's why it is returning true. Same way we have str1 dot ends with exclamation mark. Is it satisfying? Yes, because we have the last one an exclamation mark, so it returns true. So next one, str1 dot ends with lte. See, here it is ending with ld and exclamation mark, so it returns false. So that is ends with a substring. Same way we have starts with, whether the string starts with the substring. Example, str1 is equal to hello world, and here we are giving str1 dot start with he. Yes, here it is starting with he, so it returns true. Then we have str1 dot start with hee. Is it satisfied? No, because we have hel. That is the third letter of this one. So here it returns false because it is not starting with hee. So let's see this one in Python editor. Okay, here I am giving str1 dot ends with, we can provide a substring. So I am giving on, whether it ends with on. Okay, then same way we can give starts with also. So I am giving str1 dot starts with h. Okay, let's check the output. Okay, so here it returns both as true because ends with on, Python on, and starts with h. Okay, so let's try another one. See, here I am changing this h with capital H, and let's try it. See, here it returns false because we have a small letter h. Okay, so it is returning false. So that is our starts with and ends with function. See, next we have some functions like isalnum, isalpha, then isdigit, ispace, and istitle. Same way isupper, islower. Okay, so all these function actually it is checking whether it is upper or not, lower or not, digit or not. So here also it is returning true or false. So let's directly do this one in the Python editor. Okay, first one is isalnum. So isalnum means whether the string contains alphabet or number. If it contains alphabets, then it is returning true. If it is number, then it is returning true. Other than that, if it contains only the symbols, then it returns false. So let's see it. Print str1 dot isalnum. Let's see it. What is the output? Okay. See, it returns false. Why? Because here we have exclamation marks, comma. So it is a mixture of alphabet and symbols. So that's why it is returning false. See, if there is only alphabets and numbers, then it returns true. So let's see another example. str2 equal to, I am giving Python, and here I am checking str2 dot isalnum. See, it returns true because here we have only alphabets. I am making a small change. I am giving 1, 2, 3 also. Let's run it. See, it returns true because it contains alphabets and numbers. So if there is only digits, so I am removing this, then let's check it. That is also returning true because num part is satisfying. So that is our isalnum function. The next function is isdigit. So same way, print, I am giving str2 dot isdigit. See, what will be the output here? Here str2 is 1, 2, 3, so the output will be true. Let's see it. See, it is returning true. Same way, if you are giving suppose ABC also together, this one, let's see the output. It is returning false because here we have alphabets also. If you are giving symbols also, it gives false output. Okay, so isdigit is checking whether the string is a digit or not. So our next function is isspace. So str2 is space or not. So str2 actually 1, 2, 3 ABC. So let's see the output. See, it is false. I'm giving another string str3 equal to a space. Then I'm changing here str3 dot ispace. Let's run it. See, it is returning true because it is a space. So ispace is whether the string is a space or not. Next we have isTitle, whether our string is in title case. Here I am checking with the str1. So str1 dot isTitle. Let's check it. See, it returns false. Why it returns false? Because it is not in title case, right? So let's change this one. str1 equal to str1 dot title. Now let's try it. Okay, now it returns true. Why? Here when we executed this str1 is equal to str1 dot title, the str1 string is changed to title case. That means H will be capital, P will be capital, and this P. So all the words first letter will be capitalized. Print str1 dot isTitle. So now it is returning true. So our next function is lower, whether the string is in lower case or not. So here also I am giving str1. Okay, so let's check it whether it returns true or false. See, it is returning true. Why? Because here str1 is completely in small letter. See here str1 dot title, I commented it. If I am removing this one, str1 dot title is working. So let's see what is the output after that. See, now it returns false. Why? Because see, after executing this statement, first letters of each word is capitalized. So after that, when you are checking is lower, then it returns false. Okay, then we have is upper. So let's check it. Is upper. See, I am printing this str1. Now let's run it. See, this is our title case string and it is returning false. Why? Because it is not in uppercase. Let me change this one. Here I am giving str4 is equal to str1 dot upper. Now we can check whether str4 is upper or not. Okay, let me comment this. So here, let me run it. Okay, it's returning true because now here str4 is equal to str1 dot upper means the string is converted to its capital letter. So you are getting str4 dot is upper as true. Now we have strip function. We have lstrip, rstrip and strip function is there. So what is strip function? It returns the string after removing the spaces both on the left and the right of the string. See, here I am giving a quote and after that so many spaces I am giving, then I am writing hello world, and after that also we have some spaces. So when you are executing this str1 dot strip, then removing all the leading and trailing spaces. The first spaces on the left side and the right side spaces are removed and it is printing the word. See, remember the middle spaces will not be removed. If you are giving hello, then so many spaces, and world if you are giving, that will not be removed. Only the before and after the string will be printed. So what is rstrip? Rstrip means it returns the string after removing the spaces only on the right of the string. That means here we have str1 is equal to hello world and here I am giving lot of spaces. Then I am writing str1 dot rstrip. So up to this exclamation mark it will take and the spaces on the right side will be removed. If you have some spaces on the left side, that will not be removed in rstrip. Same way we have lstrip, that is returns the string after removing the spaces on the left side. So here you can see spaces, then hello world I am giving. So removing this left side spaces and printing that word. That is our strip function. Then we have replace function. Replace means replaces all occurrences of all string with the new string. See, here I am giving str1 is equal to hello world and I want to replace O with star. Wherever you have this O letter, that should be replaced by star. So here you can see hello. In that O is replaced by star and in world O is replaced by star. So that is replaced. Next we have join function. it returns a string in which the characters in the string have been joined by a separator. That is, for example, here I am giving str1 is equal to hello world. In str2 I am giving a hyphen. So hyphen is working as a separator here. That means in between this all these letters I want to give hyphen. So I am giving str2 dot join str1. That means after each letter hyphen is placing there. Hyphen is joined there. So that is our join. So instead of hyphen you can give space or star symbol or anything can be given here. Then we have partition. So partitions the given string at the first occurrence of the substring and returns the string partitions into three parts. So first one, it is substring before the separator, then the separator, then substring after the separator. Let's see an example. See str1 India is a great country I am giving. Then str1 dot partition is the partition I am giving here. So it is returning India, comma is, then a great country. Is working as a separator here. Okay, so here you can see str1 dot partition R. See here, what is the output? India is a great country, comma, then a comma it is giving. See here, we don't have R here, right? That is, if the separator is not found in the string, then it returns the whole string itself and two empty strings. India is a great country, that is our string. After that, giving a comma, then a space, that means an empty string, again a comma, one more empty string. So that is our partition. Then we have split function. So returns a list of words delimited by the specified substring. See here we are splitting the string with a delimiter. So here if you are not giving any delimiter, then space will be considered as the delimiter. So here you can see str1 India is a great country. So simply I am giving str dot split. You will get a list of values like this. All these words are extracted, separated by comma. That means wherever space is there, from there it is splitting. It is like cutting. Okay, so that is our split function. And you can specify also like what should be the delimiter. In the second example, I am giving str1 dot split of A. So wherever A is there, so before and after A, that will be splitted. So you can see here India. So that A is not there. INDI, that is the first word, is okay. Then we have A here, that is not printing here. After A we have great. In great we have A here. So GRE will be printed. Then after A we have T, then we don't have any A here, so T country. Here A is specified as the delimiter, so it is not considering that space there. So that is split function. So let's see the remaining functions in our Python idle. Okay, here I am giving string 2 is equal to giving a lot of space, then hello, then in between hello and friends also I am giving some spaces and giving space again on the right side. So first let's see the strip function. So print str2 dot strip. Let's run and find out the output. See here you're getting the output hello spaces friends. So the spaces before hello and after friends are removed, but in between spaces are there, that is not removed. Now let's see lstrip. str3 equal to str2 dot lstrip I am writing. Then I am printing str3. Let's see the output. See here hello space friends it is coming, that is the left side spaces are removed. What about the right side spaces? You can understand from this one, right? So let's make a small change in your program. Here str3 is equal to str2 dot lstrip I have given. Okay, I am printing here str3 plus how are you? Let's see the output. See hello friends, then after that lot of spaces are there. Why? Because here lstrip is working, so that time only the left spaces are removed but the right spaces are not removed. Now let's try the rstrip. Here I am giving str4 is equal to str2 dot rstrip. Here I am making a small change. How are you plus I am giving str4. So here I am giving one more Python I am giving. Let's see what is the output here. See, how are you? It is on the left side. After that, so many spaces are there. That is, the rstrip is only removing the right side spaces. See, after hello friends, it is not giving any space. Hello friends is our original string. See, after S, it is removing all the spaces on the right side and Python is attaching them. But on the left side, we have spaces that is not removed. It is already there. That's why you are getting the output here. So that is our strip functions, lstrip, rstrip and strip. Next we have replace function. Let's see how this replace function is working. Print str1 dot replace. I want to remove this Python with Java. Okay, I'm giving all the string as Python, comma, I'm giving the new string as Java. So let's see what is the output. Okay, here wherever Python is there, it is replaced with Java. Okay, so that is replace function. Now we have join. So join, what is that? It is joining with the separator. Okay, let's see it. So I'm giving str2 equal to 1 star I am giving here. So here star is acting as a separator. So let's see it. Print str2 dot join str1. Let's see the output. See, hi Python. So wherever spaces are there, there star is filled. So when you are giving this one, the separator you have to give first, then dot, then only you have to call join, and which string you want to add this separator, that you have to give inside the parenthesis. Okay, so that is join function. Now we have partition function. So let's say I'm giving the separator as program, then let's partition it. str1 dot partition of str2. Okay, let's see the output. See here, our separator is program. So before program we had hi Python, that is the string before this program. Then this is our separator, and after separator whatever it is there, it is including space, that will be printed here. See, when you are executing partition function, there are 3 parameters will be returned. One is that partition, that is in the middle, and before partition what is the string, and after partition what is the string. So that will be returned here. See, I am giving here by here. Let's check it, what is the output. See here, by is not there in this string. So how it will be partitioned? See here, hi Python program, Python is easy. Python, it is printing as it is. After that, one empty string, then another empty string. 2 empty strings are coming there. So this is our partition function. So next one we have split. Let's see it. Okay, I'm giving print str1 dot split. See here, I am not giving any separator. So simply I am calling this split function. Let's see it. See here, it is returning a list of values. Space is taken as the separator. So wherever space is there, before and after that, whatever the strings are there, that will be returned as a list of values. So now I am going to give a delimiter here. I am giving P as the delimiter, and let's see it. See, it is printing hi. So this Python, that P is not returning here. Split, it is splitting based on the delimiter here. So but delimiter is not printing here. So here we have P as the delimiter. So in Python, that P is not returning here. So wherever that delimiter is there, from there it is splitting, and the delimiter will not be printed. So that is our split functions. So these are the string functions in Python. So we discussed a lot of string functions in Python. So now we covered the concept of strings in Python. Now we have to do a lot of programs using strings. So that we are going to do in the next couple of videos. Hope you are clear with the concepts we studied today. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please feel free to comment. Thank you for watching.